What's it going on, guys? It's GD here, and this is my progress in Clash of Clans as of April 26, 2026, Sunday. And this is my progress. I'm upgrading here the X-Bow from level 5 to level 6, and another X-Bow from level 5 to level 6 also. And I'm upgrading this Blacksmith from level 4 to level 5. And I'm also upgrading my heroes here. The Archer Queen from level 51 to level 52. And the Grand Warden from level 21 to level 22. And I'm also here upgrading the Ice Golem to level 4. And this is how my base looks like. And let's move on to the builder base. And the builder base here, I'm upgrading my giant cannon from level 1 to level 2. And I'm also upgrading this mine from level 6 to level 7. I'm upgrading in the Star Laboratory here, the dropship to level 13. And this is how my base looks like. And let me show you our clan capital here. We have this 5 already. This is how it looks like. Wow, our capitals are great though. And so that's it, guys. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.